Here at Quality Service Today, we are involved in multiple customer service training programs for our employees to do Zoom meetings and on-site training. To better educate our technicians, we also send our customer service representatives through phone trainings to help take care of our customers at a much higher standard. We want our employees to succeed at their highest ability at their personal goals and their career goals. We also have an on-site training facility where we can take time to learn the basics on how to install and repair certain plumbing. For an example, we have well pumps, water heaters, toilets, faucets, showers, and fixtures. This also creates a great learning experience for apprentices who are wanting to learn a skilled trade and are really driven to become technicians. They can learn the basics of installing certain plumbing fixtures, the diagnostics, and repair these fixtures. This allows all technicians and apprentices to succeed in the field. If you or somebody you know is really eager to learn a trade in a great learning experience in a great work environment, please feel free to reach out to us at one of the links provided.